Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to get a 40% Binance fees discount. Therefore we just take a look at the Binance fees. Normally you pay 0.1%, but if you want to save 40%, you just have to do two things. At first you have to use Binance coin to pay your fees, then you will get 25% off. Therefore you just click here and activate it. I also put a link in the video description where you can do it too. And the second thing is that you will get 20% kickback if you use my link in the video description for registration. There you just have to make sure that your kickback rate is 20%, and if you also did this, you will save all in all 40% on trading fees, so that you just pay 0.06% on fees, which is pretty low. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.